Welcome to our facility. Today, I'll show you exactly how the world's sharpest surgical blades are manufactured step by step. Step by step.
Forklift on your right. Make sure those coils are properly banded before moving them.
Each strip is cut to exact specifications. Even a single micron of error is unacceptable at this stage. Over 1,000 degrees, the steel's molecular structure is transformed howd, creating the hardness that defines a surgical-grade blade. Diamond grinding wheels shape each blade's edge to within 1 micron of perfection. This final honing stage creates an edge sharper than a razor fled's, measured at the nanometer level. Electropolishing removes microscopic surface imperfections, making the blade not only sharper, but fully biocompatible. Every blade receives a unique laser-etched identification code, traceable throughout its entire life cycle. In our ISO Class 5 clean room, each blade is handled in an environment cleaner than a hospital operating theater. Every single blade is inspected under 500x magnification, Any blade failing our standards is immediately removed from the production line.
Each blade is sealed in a double sterile barrier, or char, maintaining sterility from our facility to the operating room.
Each box contains a precise count of individually sealed, fully traceable surgical blades, ready for hospital delivery. Batch randomization checks out perfectly.
All samples match the specification sheet.
Looks good. We can approve this lot for sterilization.
Before a single blade leaves this facility, it passes our final human audit, the last line of quality assurance. Before a single blade leaves this facility, it passes our final human audit, the last line of quality assurance.
And that's exactly how the world's sharpest surgical blades are manufactured. From raw steel to the operating room, every step.